Hello friends, in today's video we will learn that absolute, relative and mixed cell referencing are in Microsoft Excel and when and how to use them. So let's get started. Let's say we have a data set where we have quarterly sales for different regions. Now first we need to calculate the total for the whole year for each region. For this, select the cell, press the shortcut Alt plus is equal to Excel will automatically insert the sum formula, then press enter. Now drag or double click to apply this formula down. If you carefully look at the formula, in the first row it is B5 E5, in the second row it becomes B6 E6, in the third row it becomes B7 E7. This means the formula is moving down automatically and the reference are also changing. This is called relative referencing. When do we use it? We use it when we want to copy a formula and have the value change automatically based on row or column. Now we need to calculate the percentage of each region compared to the total. The formula will be individual total divided by grand total. But when you drag it down, a problem occurs. The total cell also shifts down, which is incorrect. To solve this problem, we use absolute referencing. In this, we fix the cell by adding the dollar sign. As soon as we press the shortcut key F4, the dollar is added automatically. If you press F4 once, row and column both get fixed. Press F4 twice, only row get fixed. Press F4 three times, only column get fixed. Press F4 four times, back to normal relative. Now when you drag the formula, numerator will be changed, denominator will remain the same. Now the calculation will be correct. Now let's say we need to calculate the percentage of each quarter for each region so that we can easily identify which quarter has the highest and lowest sales. For this, first we copy the entire data using Ctrl C and paste it somewhere else. Now we remove the actual numbers because we want to display percentage here. And how will this percentage be calculated? The percentage will be, now the percentage we are going to calculate will be quarter 1 value divided by the total of the same region. Now the question is, which referencing should we use here? Relative, absolute or mixed? Let's test it. We write the formula is equal to this number divided this total number. Now the question is, can we leave it like this? No. Why? Right now it will work fine, but when we drag this formula to the right, the same problem will occur as before. What will happen? The total reference will also keep shifting, which we do not want. So let's try this. We click on the total cell, say F5 and press F4, which makes it $F $5. Now it is fully fixed. Now we drag the formula to the right and check it. Click on a cell and see. It looks correct because numerator is correct, denominator is fixed. Now let's drag the formula down. But the question is this correct? Let's check. No, this is not correct because it does not even add up to 100%, which means something is wrong. Let's click on a cell and check the formula carefully. It is taking the correct number, but it is dividing it by the total of another region. Whereas we want each row to be divided by its own total. This is happening because we fully fixed the total cell as $F $5. Row is fixed, column is fixed. So when we move down, the formula always uses F5 and ignore other rows. We do not want to fully fix the reference. We want it to move partially. Column F should remain fixed, but row 5, 6, 7 should change. So the question is, which referencing do we need? The answer is mixed referencing. We want the row part to move because row 5, row 6, row 7 should change as we go down. The rule is the part you want to fix add $. The part you want to move do not add $. We want column F fixed, row changing. That means F should always remain F, 5 should become 6, 7 and so on. The correct formula will be $F5. Here $F column fixed, 5 row flexible. Now when you drag the formula right and then down, column will be always stay F, row will change automatically, and now the calculation will be absolutely correct. In this case, the formula is dividing the value by the total of the same row, which is correct. This is the proper use of mixed referencing. So friends, today you learned relative referencing, absolute referencing, mixed referencing. These three concepts are very important in Excel, especially when working with large data set. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video.